In my previous video, I've shown you how to ripple delete in Premiere Pro, and somebody asked me in the comments whether it is possible to ripple delete a clip without selecting it. First of all, yes, it is possible, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it. I will do all my editing just using the keyboard. First, I move the arrowhead to a position in the timeline where I want to make my cut. By pressing and holding the forward arrow, you could also hold shift while holding the forward arrow to make the playhead to move faster. Zoom in by pressing the equal sign, press Ctrl plus K to make the first cut, use the forward arrow to move to the second position and make another cut here. So now this is the clip that we want to ripple delete without using a mouse. Press the down arrow to get to the end of that clip, and then press the back arrow once to move one frame back. And now if you press Q, it would ripple delete this clip without selecting it. Now I would undo this by pressing Ctrl Z. I go back to the end of the clip by pressing the downward arrow, press left arrow to move backward one frame, and this time press Ctrl plus Alt plus Q. It creates a gap, but at the same time it leaves one frame of that clip to the right side. So press Q once to delete that. Now in order to ripple delete this gap, press the backward arrow once, and now simply press Q to ripple delete this gap. By the way, Q is the shortcut for ripple trim rather than ripple delete. I'm sure these tips would dramatically increase your editing speed. So please don't forget to subscribe and like to support my channel. You can also find all my Premiere Pro tutorials in my Premiere Pro tutorials playlist. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.